Hello students, I am Akash Makwana. I am pharmacist, pharmacovigilance scientist and biology lecturer. You are watching my channel Bio Guruji. Our today's topic is totipotency. So let us start with our topic totipotency. Understand the meaning of term totipotency. So for understanding, we will do a simple thing. We will break this term into two. One as toti and another as potency. And we will understand what is the meaning of these two. So when I say about toti, so the meaning of toti is nothing but the entire. The meaning of toti is entire. We can say it as whole, or else in Hindi we say it as purna. Okay, and the meaning of potency is potential or capacity, or else in Hindi we can say it as kshamta. Right? So here we are talking about whose potency? Here we are talking about creating what in entirety. Right? So here we are talking about the potency, capacity and kshamta of unit of life, that is nothing but the cell. Right? So we are talking about the capacity of cell, and we are talking about which capacity? We are talking about the capacity of a cell to generate the entire organism. We are talking about the capacity of a cell to generate the entire organism. How? So now the cells who have the capacity of potency, totipotency, they have got capacity to generate whole organism. How? Such cells, they divide, and after division they also have got capacity of differentiation. They divide and then they differentiate into different types of cells. For example, the liver cells, for example, the kidney cells, for example, the nervous system cells, for example, the cells of blood, for example, the cells of bones and tissues, other tissues, right? So likewise, what is going to happen? Eventually, development of all this type of cells will eventually lead to development of organism. It will lead to development of an organism, and such cells who has got capacity to divide, differentiate into different type of cells, forming a complete organism, such type of cells are said to be totipotent cells. Totipotent cells, or we can say that this cell has got totipotency. Okay, now let us understand this with the help of an example of human cell. For example, if we consider in humans, so humans undergo a process of sexual reproduction, right? During sexual reproduction, the male produces the sperm cell and the female contributes ovum, right? The fusion of these two cells results into development of zygote. Let us draw a zygote over here. So here we can see a single zygote with the genetic material. Okay. Now what is going to happen after that? After that, the process of embryonic development starts. In this process, what is going to happen? This zygote cell, it continuously keeps on dividing. It continuously keeps on dividing, forming into two cells. Further, it leads to formation of 4 cells. Right? To formation of 4 cells, and similarly from 1 cell to 2 cell, 2 to 4 cell, 4 to 8 cell, 8 to 16 cell, 16 to 32 cell stage morula. right? After that, what is going to happen? A cell structure will be developed having multiple number of cells, and these cells, like this, the multiple number of cells, and these cells we will be terming them as embryonic cells. These cells are called as the embryonic cells, or we can also say them as stem cells. Right? So in human, stem cell is the cell who has got capacity, right? Slowly, day after day, what is going to happen? These are the cells which will be forming the cells of liver, the cells of kidney, the cells of brain, spinal cord, the cells of blood, the cells of heart, and finally, this all development will lead to formation of complete new human organism. Right? So which cell led to development of human organism or formation of human organism? The stem cell. Hence in human, stem cells are called as totipotent cells. Similarly in plants, there are meristematic cells. These meristematic cells are required for the complete formation of plant and the plant parts. Right? So in short, the cells who has got capacity to divide and differentiate into different types of cell, forming a complete organism, such cells are called as totipotent cells, or we can say that cell has got totipotence. Thank you. I hope I was able to explain you what totipotency means. If you understood it, please click on like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Bio Guruji to receive important updates on small conceptual videos that I upload on my channel. Till then, thank you.